welcome back to my brother's channel. I am using his phone, so we're going for a bike ride and okay, so here we go. We cannot go over the speed bumps fast. And I'm using my brother's bike, so. There goes my cousin behind us. They turn, so. We're going. Don't worry, guys, we're going. Whoa. So we're back. We're back, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like. Leave a thumbs up and smash that like button, actually. And smash the subscribe button and click on that little bell that you'll see right here. When you subscribe, you'll see it right next to it, right there. When you subscribe. Okay, so hope you enjoyed. Bye.